Hello students. So today we will discuss about the modifying the table design. Okay, so this will be our video 8. So how after creating the table, how we can modify it? So in the previous video we have designed a table in which we have inserted so many fields and rows are there where we have inserted the name of the car, the company, then CC of the engine. Okay, like this. So after creating the table, how we can modify the design? Okay, so after creating the table, you can make changes to its domain, to its design. Okay, and in the data sheet we can add, delete, rename, move, hide, display, or change the data type of the field. Okay, what we can do, we can add some details, delete some detail, rename the file, move the file, or hide it, or display, or change the data type of the field. Okay, so we will look it one by one. So first is our adding a new field. Okay, how we can add a new field? There is a column. So you can add more fields to a table as desired. Okay, so to add a new field to a table, first what we have to do? Number one, first where you have to click. So you can see in the figure, this is the one in the navigation panel. So this is called the navigation panel. We have to double click the table in which you want to add a field. Okay, then the table opens in a data sheet in the document view. After that, what you have to do, you have to click the this two, where click the column header of the field to the right of which you want to add a field. After that, click 3 is here, you can see it on the table 3. On the table tool field tab, in the add and delete group, click the data type for a new field. Okay, after that, access add a new field to the table, and in the last one, fourth, this is the fourth, what we have to do, we have to just insert the name of the field what you want. Okay, suppose in the book you can see it is written as vitamin A. So suppose we have added a new field, that is vitamin A. So in this way we can add a new field. Okay, so after adding, suppose some fields are already there, how we can delete that field? So deleting a field, so how we can do this? Okay, so number one, first is what you have to do, this one, open the table from which you want to delete a field. Okay, first we have to open that table from which we want to delete that field. And number two, where you have to click, you have to click that column that you want to remove. Okay, so suppose column number 2, this is, so you have to click that. After clicking on the table tool field tab, where you will find the table tool field tab in this section, from this to this. Okay, so in the add and delete group, you have to click the delete button. So if you, after selecting that particular column, okay, after you select the particular column that you want to delete, then in the add and delete group, then you can click the delete button. So you can see a delete button is here, delete symbol is there and cross symbol is there. Okay, so if you click that, a pop-up message will be there, so a message box displaying a warning. That means you are surely just one confirmation. Then you have to press yes. So after you press yes, that particular column will get deleted. Okay, so we have learned how to add a field, how to delete a field. Okay, suppose already some field are there, now you want to rename it. So how we can rename that field? It is also very easy. So you can rename the field to make them more descriptive. Okay, so the column, you have to select that column that you want to rename. Okay, so first what you have to do, double click the header of the field you want to rename. You can see this one, so food item, you have to rename it. So what you have to do, you have to just double click the header, and after that what you have to do, type the name and press enter. After double clicking, it will get selected, the old heading one. Okay, and after that you just write the name you want to change the name, and after that, after entering that name, you have to just press enter. Okay, so that file will get renamed. will get renamed. Okay. Next we will see how to move a field. Okay, so from one column how we can move to the other column. So for this what we can do, select the field you want to move. Suppose first we click this one. Suppose we want to move this field. So after that just drag the column. So how we can drag the column? So drag the column header of the field to the left or right and drop it where you want to place. So in the mouse you could just click the right left click on that column, then just not unhold that, and after clicking it just drag it to where you want, either to the left or to the right, up to you. Okay, and if you have got a particular place for that field, just release the key, then that particular column will move to the particular other column. Fine. So in this way we can move the field. Fine. So after that we have hiding or displaying a field. So how we can display or hide a field? So you can hide a field to temporarily prevent them from display on the screen, for temporarily. Okay, and you can later display the hidden fields to make them visible again. So to do this, what we have to do, first click the column heading of the field you want to hide. So first what you have to do, you have to select that column that you want to hide for a temporary time. And after that, number 2, on the home tab, the records group. Okay, in the home tab you can find the record group. In that record group, click the more button. So you can see this more button. So if you click the more button, some new menu will appear. In that menu you have to click the hide field. You can see this hide field. So after clicking this, access hide the select fields from the data sheet. Okay, so after clicking, that Excel file will get hidden. Okay, so now suppose column 3 have been hidden. Now how will you again unhide it, or how will you display it? So to display that unhidden part or hidden part, so what you have to do, number 1, you have to click on the home tab, and in the record group click the more button. Okay, in the home tab, in the record group, you have to click the record, and then you will find a more button. So if you click the more button, a menu will appear like this, and in that just click number 2, that is your unhide fields. You can see it, unhide fields. So one dialog box will be opened like this. Okay, in that mark the checkbox for the field you want to unhide. So you have to tick mark that which column you want to unhide. So after checking it, just what you have to do, just click the close button, then that particular column will get displayed or unhidden. Fine. So the last is our changing the data type of a field. How to change the type of the data field? So for this, click the column header of the field whose data type you want to change. Suppose any column you want to change the data type. So after clicking that, what we have to do, on the table tool field in the formatting group. Okay, on the table tool field you can see this table tool field, this one field. On that field you have to in the formatting group you have to click the data type. You can see this data type. So if you click the data type, a list of the data type will get appeared. Okay, so select the required data type. You can see the data types, your short text, long text, number, date, time, currency, the type you want to change. You have to click that, then select the required data type, and access changes the data type of the field. So first what you have to do, you have to just select the column whose data type you want to change, and then in the field section and in the formatting group just click the data type, and a list of menus will come, and you have to choose a particular data type which you want to change it. Okay, so till today this will be enough. So in the next video we will continue in this chapter 2. Okay, thank you.